Hi Sam, are you ready to go?
Yes, Erica. I have my shopping list with me.
Great. I have a small list too.
What do you need today?
I need milk, bread, eggs, and some vegetables.
Okay. I need fruit, chicken, and a few snacks.
Sounds good. Let's go inside.
Wow, it's a bit busy today.
Yes, but we can still shop quickly.
Let's take a basket first.
Good idea. I don't want a big cart.
Here, take this basket.
Thanks. It's not too heavy.
Where do you want to go first?
Let's get the milk.
Milk is usually at the back.
Yes, we need to walk through the store.
That's okay. We can look at other things too.
Here is the dairy section.
I see the milk.
There are many options.
Yes, whole milk, low fat, and skim milk.
I prefer low-fat milk.
Me too. It tastes good and is lighter.
This one looks good.
Check the date on the bottle.
Let me see. Yes, it's fresh.
Perfect. Put it in the basket.
Done. What's next?
Bread?
Bread is in aisle 3.
Let's go there.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
No problem.
Here we are.
There is a lot of bread.
Yes, white bread, brown bread, and whole grain bread.
I like whole grain bread.
It's healthy and has more flavor.
This loaf looks nice.
Yes, and it feels soft.
Check the price and
It's okay. Not too expensive.
good. Let's take it.
Careful, don't squash it.
I won't.
Now we need eggs.
Eggs are right over here.
Oh yes, I see them.
There are small boxes and big boxes.
I only need a dozen.
This one is fine.
Check if any eggs are broken.
Let me open it. No, they all look good.
Great. Close it carefully.
Okay, done.
Now, vegetables.
Yes, I need tomatoes and lettuce.
The vegetable section is over there.
Let's go.
Everything looks fresh today.
Yes, the colors are very nice.
These tomatoes are red and shiny.
They look good.
How many do you need?
Maybe 4 tomatoes.
Take a bag.
Here it is.
Put them inside gently.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect.
Now lettuce.
This one looks fresh.
Yes, the leaves are green and clean.
Let's take it.
Okay, done.
Now your turn.
I need apples.
The fruit section is next to us.
Great.
Look at these apples.
They look delicious.
Do you want red or green apples?
I want red apples.
How many?
Maybe 6 apples.
Take a bag.
Got it.
Put them in carefully.
1, 2, 3.
Don't drop them.
I won't.
4, 5, 6.
Nice.
Now bananas.
They are over there.
These bananas are very yellow.
Yes, they are ready to eat.
Take a bunch.
This one looks good.
Yes, not too green.
Okay, I'll take it.
What else do you need?
Chicken.
The meat section is over there.
Let's go.
It's cold here.
Yes, they keep the meat fresh.
Here is the chicken.
Do you want a whole chicken?
No, I want chicken breast.
This pack looks good.
Check the date.
It's fresh.
Good, take it.
Okay,
Do you need anything else?
maybe yogurt.
Good idea.
Let's go back to the dairy section.
Here we are again.
There are many flavors.
Yes, strawberry, vanilla, and natural.
I like strawberry yogurt.
Me too.
This one is on sale.
Oh, that's great.
Let's take 2.
Good choice.
Now I want some juice.
Okay, juice is in aisle 5.
Let's go.
There are many types.
Orange juice, apple juice, and grape juice.
I want orange juice.
This one?
Yes, with no sugar.
Good choice.
Put it in the basket.
Done.
Do you want snacks?
Maybe some cookies.
Okay, let's check this aisle.
There are many cookies here.
Chocolate, vanilla, and more.
I like chocolate cookies.
These look good.
Yes, and they are not too expensive.
Let's take one pack.
Okay,
Anything else?
maybe some cheese.
Good idea.
Cheese is near the milk.
Let's go back again.
We are walking a lot today.
Yes, it's good exercise.
Here is the cheese.
There are many kinds.
I like simple cheese.
This one?
Yes, that's fine.
Take it.
Done.
Now, I think we have everything.
Let me check my list.
Milk, bread, eggs, vegetables. Yes, everything is here.
Same for me.
Okay, let's go to the checkout.
The lines are long.
Yes, it's a busy day.
Look, this line is shorter.
Let's go there.
Good idea.
Hello?
Hi.
Did you find everything you need?
Yes, thank you.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Paper or plastic?
Paper, please.
Okay.
I will scan your items now.
Okay.
Milk, bread, eggs.
Be careful with the eggs.
Yes, don't worry.
Chicken, fruit, vegetables.
Everything looks good.
That will be 24 euros.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you want the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here it is.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Let's move to the side and pack.
Okay,
Put the heavy items at the bottom.
good idea.
Milk goes first.
Then the juice.
Now the chicken.
Careful.
Yes.
Now the bread.
Don't squash it.
I won't.
Eggs go on top.
Perfect.
Now the fruit and vegetables.
Everything fits well.
Yes, we did a good job.
Let's take the bags.
They are a bit heavy.
Yes, but it's okay.
Do you want help?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Let's go outside.
The weather is nice.
Yes, it's sunny.
I like shopping with you.
Me too.
It's easy and fast.
And we don't forget anything.
Exactly.
Next time we can come earlier.
Yes, fewer people in the morning.
Good idea.
Maybe we can also make a bigger list.
Yes, and save time.
That's true.
Okay, where do we go now?
Let's go home.
I want to rest,
Me too.
and I'm hungry.
Same here.
We can cook something.
Yes, maybe chicken and vegetables.
Sounds perfect.
And we have yogurt for dessert.
Great plan.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.